Let's dive into the heart of something we all encounter in our relationships: problems. Whether they're small hiccups along the way or monumental hurdles that shake the very foundation of our love, facing challenges head-on is crucial for growth, understanding, and ultimately, a stronger bond. Firstly, let's talk about those premature problems, the tiny cracks that, if left unattended, can widen into chasms. Communication is the cornerstone here. Too often, we let our fears and insecurities fester in silence, allowing them to snowball into something much larger than they need to be. But it doesn't have to be this way. When you notice something amiss, don't sweep it under the rug. Instead, create a safe space for open and honest dialogue. Listen to each other without judgment. Express your feelings calmly and respectfully, and work together to find constructive solutions. Remember, it's not about assigning blame. It's about understanding each other's perspectives and finding common ground. Sometimes it's the small gestures, a heartfelt apology, a listening ear, or a simple "I love you" that can bridge the gap and mend even the tiniest of fractures. Now, let's address the bigger problems, the ones that test our resolve, our patience, and our commitment to each other. Whether it's financial struggles, infidelity, or diverging life goals, these challenges can feel insurmountable. But they don't have to be the end of the road. In times of crisis, it's essential to lean on each other for support. Remember that you're a team, a partnership forged in love and mutual respect. Approach the problem with a united front, acknowledging that you may not have all the answers, but you're willing to work together to find them. Seek outside help if needed. Whether it's couples therapy, marriage counseling, or guidance from trusted friends and family, don't hesitate to reach out for support. There's no shame in asking for help. In fact, it's a sign of strength and a testament to your commitment to each other and your relationship. And above all, never lose sight of why you fell in love in the first place. Reflect on the moments that brought you joy, the challenges you've overcome together, and the dreams you've dared to chase side by side. Let those memories be a beacon of hope, a reminder that no matter how dark the storm may seem, the sun will always shine again. In the end, it's not the absence of problems that defines a relationship. It's how we choose to face them, together, with love, empathy, and unwavering determination. Now, subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and share with your loved ones. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell icon for the next video in 5 days.